what's good, it's your boy Jordan, and today I'm going to a few shops to pick up some airbeds and like sleeping bags for camping in a few weeks time, so keep an eye out for that video. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Cue the time lapse.
If you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And all time may take us.
Alright guys, I'm here. Alright guys, we might have to go to another shop. If we don't, I probably won't vlog it, so. Alright guys, that's been it for the video. I didn't end up recording that next shop, but we ended up getting them and the sleeping bag, so probably the next video will be maybe not tomorrow, not the next day, but maybe the next day. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, comment if you want, whatever video you want. So see ya.
'Cause we all get lost sometimes, you know.